Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to fix ring contact sensor offline, battery, range, repair and Z-wave fix. To fix an offline ring contact sensor, first power cycle the device by removing the batteries for 10 seconds, then use the ring app to retry the connection. If this fails, reset and re-add the sensor to your system. Here are the step-by-step troubleshooting guide. Follow these steps in order to get your sensor back online. Fix 1. Power cycle the device. Carefully slide the sensor cover off or unscrew it for second gen and take out the batteries. Then leave the batteries out for 10 to 15 seconds. Once done, put the batteries back in, ensuring the positive/negative polarities match. The LED should flash. Fix 2. Retry the connection in the app. Open the Ring app and tap the menu, which is three horizontal lines. In it, tap Devices, then go to Alarm and then tap on Connected Devices. Then select your offline contact sensor and go to Device Settings. Now tap Advanced Options, then select Retry Connection and follow the prompts. Fix 3. Move closer to the base station. Sometimes a sensor drops offline because it is just out of range of your Ring alarm base station. Unmount the sensor and place it within 5 feet of the base station. If the connection improves, you likely need a ring alarm range extender in a midway point between the sensor and the base station. Fix 4. Reconfigure or re-add the device. Simply go to Device Settings. In it, go to Advanced Options in the app. Then select Reconfigure Device and follow the prompts. If that fails, remove the device entirely from your Ring app and perform a factory reset, and then add the sensor as a brand new device. Now, how to factory reset the sensor? The first generation sensor. Remove the cover and take out the battery. Then press and hold the tamper button located near the antenna. And while holding the button, insert the battery. Hold the button until the LED light stops flashing or it becomes solid. Then put the cover back on. Second generation sensor. Slide the sensor off its base, then use a pin or paper clip to press and hold the pinhole reset button present on the back. Then release it after the LED light turns off, then re-add the device through the Ring app. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.